surgery 5 weeks ago, and I am now cleared to use my arms and to bend slightly over. So with that being said, I am allowed to do a video now. Not supposed to lift anything over 5 pounds, but for this video, everything is pretty light. We are going to do a Costco and Sam's Club haul for keto. These are the top items that I like to buy every single time I do my Costco and Sam's Club order. Let's get to it. First item in front of me will be the canned chicken. Absolutely love our canned chicken, and what we like to do is mix it with cream cheese and Tabasco sauce for a buffalo chicken type dish. So definitely from Sam's Club or Costco, get your cans of chicken in water. I don't know that chicken comes in oil, but this is the chicken we love to buy. Also remember guys, I don't edit, so these videos sometimes have a lot of little mistakes in them, but that's fine, it makes it more fun. Next thing that we love to buy, I also bought 2 packs of that. That's how much we go through them. Next favorite item, and this one's from Sam's Club. Mozzarella chicken meatballs. How easy is that? We throw these in the air fryer for 10 minutes, boom, done. These are fantastic. Next favorite item, this one's from Costco. Hard-boiled eggs. You can either grab these hard-boiled eggs and go for the day, or they're handy-dandy easy to make any kind of salad or anything you want with them. I guess you could cut them all in half and make deviled eggs with them too, but absolutely love to have hard-boiled eggs that are easy to go. I don't think my fridge is big enough for me to keep enough eggs in there for keto, like for a week, so I have to buy hard-boiled eggs. If I made them, we would go through so many eggs. Sam's Club recently started also carrying hard-boiled eggs, so just to give them a try, I bought a box. This is much smaller, I think, if you don't have many people in your house eating them. This would probably be a better bet. Sam's Club, hard-boiled eggs. This item is newly stocked in our Costco, but not new to Costco. Rao's homemade spaghetti sauce, or pizza sauce, or whatever you use tomato sauce for. Low carb and healthy for you. Fantastic size jar. Costco find. Next favorite item to buy at Sam's Club or Costco. Tabasco sauce. If something doesn't taste right, just add Tabasco sauce. It'll make it excellent. Sam's Club find cream cheese. This was less than $5. This entire block of cream cheese was less than $5. Again, Sam's Club find broccoli. Just some frozen broccoli. It's cold. We're making soup. Tonight we're making broccoli cheddar soup. So in this bag you have 4 individual bags of frozen broccoli. It's not just one giant bag of broccoli. Fantastic, under $10. Another soup favorite, and double egg, anything else? Bacon bits. Real live crumbled bacon. Hello, Sam's Club. This is new to me. I've not tried this. I'm super excited for it. Sam's Club also. Monterey Jack snack cheese. I love Monterey Jack cheese. It's very creamy, it melts excellent. It's excellent in all recipes, all my fathead recipes, any recipe requiring shredded mozzarella, we use Jack. Jack turns out way better, much creamier, melts so much better. But I found these little snack size things, so super excited to try them. They remind me of the Baby Bell, but Jack snack. Next item, berries are allowed on keto. Occasionally, I get a sweet tooth and I will have a couple strawberries. I also sometimes will have raspberries, which will be my next item. Strawberries and raspberries. And my grandson loves them, so I love to have fruit in the house for him. This is a Costco find, and this is hands down in all of the United States. I don't know about other countries because I'm not from there. This is the best almond flour on the market. It is the fluffiest, it makes the best keto breads, it makes the best keto recipes. It is from Costco, it's their own natural brand, and it is fantastic. I always have 3 bags at a time of this on hand in my pantry. And I just opened the third bag, so I ordered another one. Next, avocados. Gotta have your avocados. Next, easy little snack that you can throw in your purse or whatever if you're traveling. Just little, like salami and cheese. Super simple. Looks like you get 6 per this pack. 1 carb. That's what I'm seeing right now. Serving size, 2 pieces, 1 carb. Ta-da! My next favorite keto item that I can actually share with my grandson when we're watching a movie or we're doing something together. I don't like to constantly say that I can't have what he's having because he doesn't quite understand it. So I try to buy snacks that we can have together. And this one is cheese, dried berries, and nuts. I don't have these multiple times a day, and I don't have these every day. That would probably be a problem and knock you out of ketosis because nuts are pretty tricky and they can knock you out pretty quick. But in this batch, we have almonds and cranberries. And in this one, we have cashews and golden raisins. He absolutely loves the dried berries and the cheese in these. He doesn't like the nuts, so it's perfect when we share. Next on the list, a little bit of dirty keto, but my entire family loves this. So when we're having movie night, we're able to make this and we can all sit around and share the snack, especially UFC night. Do I have any other UFC people in the house? Friggin', did you see that Nunes fight? Okay, we're not even gonna go there. Fantastic. Okay, Little Smokies. In the process of making these, they've added some really dirty keto ingredients. But you know what? It's not like I have fistfuls of them, just maybe handfuls of them. There's corn syrup and crap in this, but I don't care. Family time over few dirty ingredients, no big deal. At least in my book, that's how it works. Next, Monterey Jack. Absolute favorite cheese for all recipes. And you guys know not to buy the pre-shredded cheddar cheese or any cheese because it's got an anti-caking agent, which is usually potato starch. That can slow your progress down. Here's my thoughts on it. I don't know that everybody's eating gobs and gobs of cheese every single day, but maybe some of you are, and kudos if you are because I love cheese. But I think a little handful of grated cheese here and there is not gonna hurt you, but don't come at me, you guys, with the stones and the everything else you guys might want to throw at me. I'm just telling you, I don't think a handful here and there is going to hurt you. But if you want to be safe and you want to be strict and you want to be like a crazy Nazi for keto, grate it yourself. And I highly recommend Jack cheese over mozzarella cheese because it tastes better, it's creamier, and it melts way better. There you go. One of the last but not least, we got 2 items left. Organic, cage-free eggs. This entire thing was only, I think, $4.80. That many comes in it. Every keto bread recipe that I make, including my microwave breads, 2 eggs at a time, and my husband loves to cook eggs, so he goes through them rather quickly. We prefer organic and cage-free because I have a history of medical problems and I don't want the added antibiotics and other things that come with that kind of stuff, so we try our best to stay organic and grain-free and all of that wonderful stuff. Doesn't mean you have to be, and it doesn't mean I'm gonna judge you how you do it. I really don't care how you do it, just as long as you're doing what works for you. It is soup season. We love our sour cream. We get the whole fat, non-light, non-whatever, just regular sour cream. It's a must, especially for tonight's broccoli cheese cheddar soup. This right here is, I think, what makes the entire soup. I could do a video on how I make the soup if you guys wanted, if you're interested in that. I really don't know if anybody cares about that, but I don't really follow a recipe. I just throw it together myself. My favorite bone broth is by Epic. Epic jalapeno bone broth. I don't even know what to say. That was awkward. Okay, but Epic. That's my favorite bone broth. Last but not least, I have 2 boxes. I will only show you one. I'm not a fan of almond milk. I'm a fan of unsweetened coconut milk. This one by Costco is my absolute favorite. And I can store it in my pantry. It's unsweetened. It does not need to be refrigerated. And in the box, because I bought 2, so that's 12, you get 6 of these to use as you need. And they are unsweetened, and if anybody's wondering about the label, I can show you the label. Hopefully it's in focus. You can see this side. But this is 4 carbs and 4 fibers, 0 sugars. So this is a net 0 unsweetened coconut milk. And I'm telling you, this one, hands down, the best I've ever tried. That's it. Wait. There's one more. There's actually 2 more. Sorry about that, guys. Heavy whipping cream, Sam's Club. Perfect size. Costco actually sells this in a ½ gallon, and that one's fantastic too, but I find that I don't go through the ½ gallon completely, and then it expires, and then I'm having to smell it every time I'm gonna use it. Not with this one. This one I go through the entire thing. It's only 32 ounces. Sam's Club. 1 carb, that's what the side says. And then, what I almost forgot, because it's soup season, Rotel! Entire box. I'll tell you a quick recipe for this. A pound of hamburger meat, a block of cream cheese, a can of Rotel, and a little bit of bone broth. Leave that to simmer and you're gonna have the best soup you've ever tried, and it's all keto. That's all I got for you guys today. And I wanna, if anybody's still here, that's really great. Leave in the comment a £. That way I know you watched the entire video, and there's gonna be a giveaway. I'm gonna do a random giveaway out of all the £. Left in the comment. I wanna tell you guys that I have a group on Facebook, and it's called the Keto Village. Tomorrow, Saturday the 5th, is National Keto Day. I am giving away a keto prize every hour from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. in that group the entire day. And those winners are gonna come from comments and posts, and I'll probably do a couple contests just to make it fun. But you gotta go to Facebook and sign up or join or whatever you do on Facebook, the Keto Village, AKA Sofa King Keto. That is us. Find us. We're over 3,000 strong, and we're loving life. And I really hope you guys come over there and join, because I'm very active there all day long, all hours of the day. And I really enjoy helping everybody individually with their keto needs or whatever they have. You can message me, and I guarantee you I will message you back. You're not gonna get an automated response, and you're not gonna get some type of response that's just, you know, from my inbox where I cut and paste it to everybody. You're gonna get me, the real me, messaging you back and talking to you. This group, tribe, family is my family, and I'm very proud of where we are today. And I just want to tell you guys thank you, and I'm off, and I've probably rambled too long, and if you're still here, wow, this is gonna make me cry, because, well, who would listen to somebody ramble this long? Okay, I gotta go. Bye!